Unseen Liminality video number 3. Because, yeah. What is this black button? Wait, office? Wait. Oh, wait, there's 2 new rooms. Okay. Alright. Let's not, we should not end the video at, the Captain Clark area. We should also explore the office-like section.
Hello?
Hi.
Okay, so, I guess... we gotta go to Clark's?
Yeah. And there's also a new area, the offices, so...
Oh, the offices. Okay, we might have to check that out another time.
Oh,
but
really?
Let's go.
Damn.
Yeah, okay, let's go in here.
Alright, Clark's. Hold on. Let me go in
dude,
as
I'm
well.
scared.
I mean, if we have the time, we could explore the office area as well.
Yeah, we could. If it's not, like, huge.
Yeah,
right.
I checked it out. It doesn't seem to be that huge, so...
Okay, we can look at that, too.
Yeah.
Okay, here we are. Flashlights out. Oh.
Alright.
Oh, nah. Dude. This is like the real backrooms location.
Here
like
we are.
IRL.
There it is. Captain Clark's Unseen.
Oh.
Okay. Alright.
Let's go.
Let's go in. Let's get in.
Go in.
Do you see him there?
Oh.
Do you see him?
Oh, I see him. I see him.
Right, just be quiet. Be quiet.
Okay. Do we have to like crouch? I guess
no.
so. I'm a crouch.
I think he chases after you once he sees you.
Dude, this is what they meant by coming soon.
Shoot.
Remember?
Oh
when
shoot!
We played
This one is after us.
Oh.
Oh, it's after us. It's after us.
Oh, does he see us?
Yes,
does he see us?
He does.
He's coming for you, Brad. He's coming for you.
Oh
no. Oh no. I think you're faster.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, only if you like sprint.
Dude, he is so terrifying. Why is he so tall, bro? Oh. What's down here? Hey. Oh, there's more down here now. Whoa.
There's nothing much down here. Oh shoot.
Are we trapped?
I hear him at top.
Oh, I think we're trapped.
Oh no, God.
No, he's coming down. He's coming down. I'm going. Bye, Brett. Have fun with that.
God. Nah.
Yeah. Oh, you made it out. Okay, where is he? Where did he go? Is he still down?
Yo, you gotta check out what he does if he manages to get you.
How about you be the sacrifice?
All right. Oh, okay then.
Wait. Let him up. Let him come up. Let him come up.
Right.
I want to see what he does.
Okay.
Oh no.
Here he comes.
Oh.
Here we go.
Oh! He bit your neck. What the? Whoa! What's he doing with you?
Then he starts dragging my body.
What? Why is he dragging you? He's holding your leg, bro. What is going on? Okay. You know what? Should I let him kill me? I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
Oh my God, he's so scary, bro.
Dude.
Oh. Nah. Is he gonna pick up my body now?
Yeah.
Oh, he is.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Dude.
Wait, dude. Why are the jump scares you see behind him? How have they not fixed that by now? You should be able to see like out of your eyes. You know? That would be cool. Oh my gosh. I see him dragging my own body, bro. Look at that.
Oh my God.
This should not be allowed, bro.
Yeah.
This is scary. Wait, can you bring him outside?
Oh yes. Hold on. Let me do that.
Okay.
Oh, wait, hold on.
If he follows you.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yo.
He's not following anyone now.
Alright, he's agile. Oh, he's after me. There we go. Ah!
Alright, go out.
Oh God, I'm out of sprint.
Oh, he actually comes out here. Oh my gosh, that is. Oh, the lights are glitching.
Oh.
Stop.
Perfect timing, I guess.
I'm actually gonna pee myself. Wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! Bro, we're stuck. Stop. Okay.
Oh my God.
Jukes, ankles.
Oh,
Okay. Okay.
On.
I broke his ankles.
Oh, cool.
Wait, this is like pool rooms type thing.
Oh yeah.
What the?
Oh God, it's after me now. No! Get away from me. I think that's all for the Captain Clark update, but should we check out the office?
Where are the offices? Let's go to the offices.
Yeah, level selector.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, office.
Alright, where is it? Office.
2 office.
Okay.
Yeah. I wonder what the black button will lead us to, and if seems to be for a future update.
New location.
Yeah.
That's gonna be fire.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Let's see what the offices are.
Dude, okay. Oh, this looks cool. Look at this.
This looks like a vibe.
Whoa. Okay,
Oh,
there's a big green light.
The green
what
stuff
is that?
from that's the green stuff from Cane Pixel's backrooms.
Cane Pickle. Okay.
Yeah,
Let's
Cane
go in
Pickle.
here. Hello? Can we go in here? Oh, okay. So there's like a little divider. That's it. Okay. What's here?
I wonder if
Offices.
there's any entities in this area. Yo, dude,
These
8-Bit
are
Ryan
empty.
made a video on this game, by the way, if you haven't seen.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The goat? The goat?
Yeah.
Wow.
8-Bit Goat. Oh. Wait, does
Let's
this
go.
lead? Wait, what does this lead to?
Whoa. Exit. It says exit.
Yeah.
Let's go.
What does this lead to? Oh, back to
Oh.
the back rooms. Okay.
Well, we don't gotta go there. We still gotta explore.
Yeah.
Alright,
Ooh.
alright, alright. This is like... Dude,
Oh.
there's no office, like, setups. Oh, wait, this is dark.
This is... Dude, this area's kind of creeping me out, dude.
Is it scary?
It's kind of creeping me out, I can't lie. Oh, well, oh, this area's almost pitch black. I don't like that. Like, did you get the recording of the captain the captain thingy?
Oh, yeah, yeah, that's all good, that's all
Okay, okay, that's good, that's good.
good. Should be. I'll be mad if it's not.
Mm.
Okay, alright, so, dude, this room is huge. Look at this.
It's... Yeah, let's go to the left, because it's an exit.
Okay,
of course.
okay. Well, where's this gonna...
Yo,
oh,
who is this?
favorite. Wait, what the... Hey! Bro, they always be adding anime characters to these games that don't make any
Oh, there's a
correlation.
door here.
They're just...
What is this?
Hello? Oh.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh!
Skinny chair!
Yo! The 8-foot tall
wait,
chair. Why? Oh, and some torn wallpaper. What?
Oh!
Oh! We gotta check out
Are you
every door.
hearing that?
Wait, what?
That music, or whatever that
Oh.
is. Okay, check
No.
every door.
No.
'Kay.
Okay, they're all locked.
Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Let's go here. Chairs. Musical chairs.
Yo, and the
Wait.
sky at the ceiling.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Ew. This room is so creepy.
Dude.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Does this lead us
Insane.
back? Oh no, this is... Bro,
Wait,
this
is this new?
place is huge.
Yeah.
Wait, no,
Oh, wait,
this
no,
is the
we're back here.
back at the beginning.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Let's go
there
back
was
down
there
here.
was another way at that big room. Oh yeah, this room. Oh yeah, this area. I forgot about that.
More anime characters or whatever those are. I don't know, bro. I don't
No,
like
no, bro.
them. Hey, chair.
Yo, slightly no clipped chair.
Yep,
This
that's
is the way
always
you-
great.
This is the way
you
to say only if you slightly no clip, I guess. Where's this?
know?
Oh, the hotel.
Oh, we're back here.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
okay. Is there anywhere else we need to check out?
Yeah. There's like in that area. There's also a right side. So let's see if we can find
Okay.
a way back.
I think it was through here,
Yeah.
and then we went through here,
Yes.
and we went up here, through
Mhm.
here.
That
Dude,
eight
look at that
bucks.
balcony. Oh! Ah! Get out of here, SpongeBob! Hey!
Wait, what?
Wait, where are you?
Wait,
Brent?
SpongeBob?
Oh,
Oh.
look.
Oh. I'm
Bro.
SpongeBob.
Yeah, get SpongeBob out of here. Okay. Chair.
Oh, okay. What's this? What's this lead to? Oh, same area. Okay. Right.
Dude,
This.
I'm crouching. I'm crouching.
Forgot-
Oh, there's like an office meeting.
Oh. Hold on. This is very slow. Oh!
Dude.
Wait, this is from Found Footage 3. I remember this area.
Bro, they put
Yeah.
in so many references into this game. It's
Yeah.
fire. I
This
love
is
it.
Found Footage 3, I know.
Alright, what's through here? Oh!
An
Oh, this place is huge. Bro.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is big. What?
Wait, what?
Oh, where are you?
Dude, I'm in this, like, there's, like, buildings.
Oh, wait, are you at that red area?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I was just looking at it. Oh god, I need to find it now. Oh god, oh no,
Bro.
I lost it, hasn't. Oh no.
Oh, there's
Damn
a
it.
zoom-in game now. Okay, well,
it from
I'm just gonna
here?
explore
Oh, it is through here,
around
okay.
random.
Alright,
Okay.
I'm at where the red buildings are. Oh yeah.
Wait,
Oh, yeah, I
am
see
too-
you.
Oh, there you are.
I see
okay.
you.
Oh.
Okay.
Bro.
Yo. Oh, it's an area of interest. I love all the
Wow,
references
okay.
to the 2K Pixels series. I think that's really neat.
That weird noise in my ear, it's making me, I don't know,
Oh god.
it's scaring me.
Oh, stairs.
Let's go.
Dude, these are not stairs. Why?
Yeah,
why
these
is-
are,
why-
why are they clickbaiting us?
Yeah, they're lying, bro. They're lying.
Okay,
Gee,
nothing
there's
here.
so many rooms in this area.
I
God.
know.
Damn.
Ah, more!
Oh my god. Okay.
How big is this map, bro? How are we not lagging out of our mind? Okay, I think that's the end. That's like pretty much it.
Alright. Damn, this is a huge area. Oh.
No. Oh. Hello. Exit?
Oh. Another 8-foot tall chair.
Okay, well, let's just go back.
Yeah.
All locked.
Oh.
All right, I guess we might as well go down here. This is the last area to check. So,
That's locked.
and it's locked. Okay.
Okay, never mind. Yeah, I think we pretty much explored everything.
Yeah, I think we've seen it all. All right, well, that is the what's the guy's name again? What's the guy's name? Captain Clark?
Captain Clark, I think. Yeah.
That's Clapton. That's Captain Clark.
Yeah.
He's very scary and tall, and I don't like him.
Yeah.
He's like pretty much like my height IRL.
True.
Not capping. Totally not lying. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm done with Captain Clark. He's scary.
True.
Yeah. So,
This might be a video. This might be like the second video ever on my channel that's like under 10 minutes.
normally yours are like really long, bro. It was very cool.